Today, we're going to be covering the Rhythm Healthcare Travel Oxygen Concentrator. The Travel Oxygen Concentrator you see here is offered by Home Oxygen Company along with the many other portable oxygen concentrators we offer. What makes this a travel oxygen concentrator is it is FAA approved for all airlines and it offers continuous flow oxygen. It's important to note that continuous flow oxygen is important for those patients that cannot tolerate pulse or also travel with a CPAP that requires bleed-in oxygen. This travel oxygen concentrator is heavier than other portable oxygen concentrators and weighs about 17 pounds. The reason for that is it needs a larger compressor to handle the continuous flow when that option is needed. Daily use of your travel oxygen concentrator is very simple. I'm going to start by showing you how to remove it from the cart. Lift up on your carry handle, pull it off. As you'll see, these straps strap around the cart. The travel oxygen concentrator comes with a cart with an easy adjustable handle. Simply push this red button and pull up and you can adjust the height. To push it down, push down your red button, slide it down. Your travel oxygen concentrator comes with this carry bag. Along with this carry bag, you have an accessory holder. You have an accessory pouch. And if you ever need to remove your travel oxygen concentrator from the bag, simply remove that, unvelcro both sides. There's a zipper. And it folds down like so. The Rhythm Travel Oxygen Concentrator includes these features. Your travel oxygen concentrator on a setting of 2 pulse will last up to 4.9 hours. On a setting of 2 continuous, it will last up to 1.9 hours. Some minor maintenance for your travel oxygen concentrator. We would recommend that you regularly wipe it down, keep it clear of dust. Also, this intake filter, you pull down this tab, it pops out. You can just wash this under warm tap water, get it good and dry, air dry. Put it back in before use. That is the only maintenance required. Now we're going to show you how to disengage the battery on the travel oxygen concentrator. You disengage with this little button. You lay it on its side, press that little button, press up on top, and pull the battery out. Now we're going to show you how to reinstall the battery in your travel oxygen concentrator. You light up your grooves with your battery, with the grooves here. Slide it down until you hear that latch. Power on your travel oxygen concentrator. Turn your power button here, just simply press it, and the unit begins to power on. To power off your travel oxygen concentrator, hold your power button for a second, and your travel oxygen concentrator will begin shutting down. As you can see, the travel oxygen concentrator is on 1 liter per minute continuous flow. To change that setting, you simply push your plus or minus button. We will go up to 2, and now you're on 2 liters per minute continuous flow oxygen. To change your travel oxygen concentrator between continuous and pulse mode, you press this gear icon, and you'll see it change to 2 pulse setting. To change your setting in pulse mode, it's the same as continuous. You use the plus and minus key buttons. As you can see on the screen, you notice the absence of breath and you notice the amber light illuminated. That means in pulse mode, it is not detecting your breath. If you encounter that, you can simply switch to continuous flow mode and get continuous oxygen versus pulse. Make sure your cannula is clear of obstruction, or switch to a new cannula if you would like to stay in pulse mode. On the bottom right screen, you'll see the R. That is the runtime. That's how long you've been using your travel oxygen concentrator. As you can see in the battery icon, it shows you percentage and roughly how much time you have left. Your travel oxygen concentrator from Rhythm Healthcare, provided by Home Oxygen Company, comes with an AC wall adapter and a DC car adapter. This unit is able to provide written instructions in Spanish. Please ask your delivery technician at time of instruct if you would like it in the Spanish format.